Hey guys, what's up? It's been a long time since I've uploaded anything to the channel. I know a lot of you are asking for turbo build updates, and I assure you the car is in very good succession right now, I'll put it that way. So a lot's happened in the past year. I ended up joining the military, so it's been a minute. I've been in basic and tech school for the past, 6 months now. But I ended up getting stationed back home, which is great because we still get to do cool stuff like what you see in the background right here. But anyways, yeah, I decided we're going to do a little update and give y'all a little inside scoop of what's happened and what is to come on the channel. We have a new channel name that we have decided with going with. It'll be Banjo Built. So we got some Banjo built Hondas. You know, whenever you're driving a Honda, it sounds like a freaking banjo. So, anyways, we got some guys here. Can't really see them very well because they're out of focus. But we got Finn. Y'all have seen Finn before. He's in the Homie Built Honda video and a few other videos like the Ricer Chainsaw Volvo video. We got Hunter. Hunter's CRX is right there, and it's in need of some love right now. And you've seen his prelude in some videos before. And then we got Chris, my little brother.
You already know who it is.
He's got some good stuff coming, I'm telling you. You're going to want to keep up to date with what he's got coming. But yeah, we're just going to sit down, kind of talk about what all has been going on for the past little while and let you guys know. Alright, Finn, should we talk about the hatch?
Yes, we should talk about the hatch.
Okay, so a lot's happened in the last year with the hatch. And we actually got it running and driving.
Yeah.
And we filmed everything, like literally everything.
Most of it.
We got it painted.
We didn't film that though.
We did not film it getting painted. We were trying to hurry up and rush and get it done so that way we could take it to a car show and a race as well.
Yeah.
It did really good.
Ran some good times.
It did. We have some videos of that. Not too many because we did end up crashing the car.
Sadly. That was you.
Yeah. Don't put this we word in this, bro.
Well, it was a team effort, but I crashed the hatch.
There we go.
But long story short, I was building boost at the light, and the drain plug fell out for the oil pan.
Rough day.
And I did a full pass down the track, no oil in the motor. And as soon as I crossed the finish line, the turbo blew up, and I went to take the first exit, and I ran over my oil. And I crashed the car, so it was kind of funny, like I thought it was in the moment, but I messed some stuff up. So, but yeah, if you've been following me on like my Instagram or anything like that, you'll definitely see that the car looks a lot different than it did before.
Actually, they've already seen some videos in it, in the one video you posted.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
The
Homie Built Hondas.
Yeah, the Homie Built Hondas. It's got that in there.
Doing a pass or two.
That's true. Yeah, it's on the street and a video from the track. So if you do end up watching something, you should go back and watch that.
Check out that video.
It was really quick. So it was making what, like 400 about?
Around that park, yeah.
Which is what we were aiming for. We have a lot that was filmed, but it hasn't been edited yet.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to try and go back through and just look at everything and get some sort of a decent video out to you guys. But I know there's a lot that still needs to be shown, and we're going to get it out. So we're going to do that. Also with that, we're going to introduce some of the new builds that will be on the channel.
Mm-hmm.
Hunter CRX that you've seen in the
Also
CRX
same
video.
Well, also the CRX video, but also in the
Homie Built Hondas.
the Homie Built Hondas video as well.
That's true. It's also in there. And then we have a new car.
It hasn't been anything yet.
Yeah, it hasn't been in any videos yet.
It's a black car.
GSR.
Yeah.
Civic.
Well, why don't you talk about it?
Is it a CX?
Yes, it's a 93 Honda Civic CX. And it has a GSR swap with the LS tranny. And I bought that a few months ago, shortly after the incident with the CRX.
Which they don't even know about that.
Oh yeah, they don't know about what happened.
So yeah, we had a CRX. It was running, And then.
It was all perfect. And then, so my hood was a little messed up before, and I got a new hood, and I was gonna put it on, but I forgot to like put the latches from the old hood onto the new hood. So then I put the hood on, and I drove it, and then the hood came up and cracked my windshield and did a number on the fender and kind of dented the side. So I called the insurance about it and let them know, and then they ended up totaling the car, and then they gave me money to like fix it, but it was way more money than I was expecting, and that's why I bought this car. And yeah, I understand I could have made the Civic super cool, but it's gonna be a rebuilt title from now on, and I'm gonna build it.
So more.
We'll
more
get
for that.
it back to where it was, all clean and everything, and then
Keeping
get it
it
back.
era specific too.
yes,
So it's
90s.
it's got the sub, the amp
Sub,
for that,
amp.
like
The radio,
for
it's
that
all
year.
original.
yeah.
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 So, but yeah, there'll be more videos on that as well as at
Definitely.
GSR, and Chris has a little something as well.
Something special.
Yeah, a little something
Yeah.
special.
Yeah, I got a couple.
It
things
is a
to-
Civic, but it's kind of on the down low. So we
Just-
will let you guys know.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, you'll have to stay tuned to see what
Nothing
all's
that
going
we've
on
done
with it.
so far. It's nothing like Nate's Hatch or anything.
No.
Or
No.
this. Nothing.
It'll be cool,
I'm pretty sure this is gonna be the first time on the internet for this.
Yes.
If it happens. If
First
we
time.
go through with this, it'll be.
And even if it's
I'm
not,
still on
it's
the
still
fence
gonna be
about it
unique.
because I still have to drive this. Like.
Oh, you're gonna like it. Anyways, too much.
Yeah,
much.
yeah.
The
That's right, that's right.
the project is still up in the air, but
We have a second go-kart now.
Mm-hmm.
yeah, we do.
We got 2 of those.
Oh yeah, and my go kart is done now.
Yeah.
It's actually
Done.
Yeah.
Done. Some new things.
Yeah,
too.
it was down for like 6 months because I was slacking on buying a brake line for it, but finally got it and she rips now.
Yeah.
Wheelies too.
We're
All exciting.
But yeah, so there'll be more videos on Chris's go-kart build as well.
More
like
on the hatch.
Those, yeah. Well, on Chris's go-kart videos, we actually have the videos edited. We just haven't posted them up yet.
Yep.
So we were waiting for after this, so that way we could introduce Banjo Built, which will be the new channel name. So, and we are the Banjo Rats.
We're banjo rats.
Banjo rats.
Yep.
So,
But we're the cleanest banjo rats ever.
Cleanest.
Yeah. These rats aren't from the sewer.
Teenage Mutant.
So yeah, we have a CRX.
You added 2 up in here.
Got the GSR. We got the hatch. More videos to be coming out. Go-kart.
yep. Go-kart videos. I also got a go-kart for myself.
Hence the second one.
Yep. And it rips. It's not bad. It's all stock for now, but it's pretty fun.
It's an endurance style kart, so it's got the extra fuel tanks on the side. It's pretty cool looking.
True. The all aluminum tanks.
Yeah.
What else do we have?
TSX.
We do. We have the TSX. So last summer, towards the end, closer to like October. Actually, yeah, it was in October.
So not even summer.
Yeah, it was fall. Dang. Yeah, I ended up going down to Portland and picking up a Acura TSX K24 6-speed. It's all stock. It was a 1 owner car, super clean car, all
Yeah.
dealer maintained its entire life. I literally bought it with two teeny little dents, about like that big, on the roof because I guess he dropped a socket or something on it. But now it's got a lot more dents. So
Spokane.
yeah,
Oh,
Spokane.
Spokane.
Thank you, Spokane.
Yeah. People key in cars and stuff too.
And
Yeah.
Finn, want to talk about what you got going?
I got a whole heap of nothing going on right now.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just to get that out of the way, no
Let's
questions.
get that out of there. I don't have anything yet. I have a few ideas cooking, but hopefully we'll have something special and fun coming up pretty soon here.
Do you
It's
even know what you
will,
drive yet?
be good. Right now, I daily a 2007 base model Honda Civic 5-speed manual. Nothing fancy. It's a coupe, 2 doors. We might be able to, after this, maybe show some pictures of it or something. Nothing crazy. I probably won't end up keeping it though, so don't get too attached. But I do plan on bringing out something fun, hopefully soon.
Heck yeah. Also, there's a couple.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was just gonna say, there's a few YouTubers that I've been emailing over the past year and a half.
Almost two.
yeah, almost 2 years, about setting up some races, and there's some pretty big channels that I'm sure a lot of you, if you're watching anything like this, you definitely know. One of them is hopefully we'll be doing some collaboration videos at some point in the future, but for now we're just gonna keep it just us and just them, and we'll definitely let you guys know when stuff is gonna happen, when it's about to go down.
We'll keep you updated.
And
Actually,
yeah,
For sure this time.
Yeah,
This is
no more year-long dropouts.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, and
we ain't
also
taking no more.
the Prelude is gone.
Sad days.
Sold it. That's all I gotta say about that.
so yeah, if any of you guys knew or know, Hunter had an '89 Prelude SI with the 4-wheel steering. What was
Beautiful
that? Was that a
machine.
one owner as well?
I think it was two.
2 owner, but it was in the same family.
Yeah.
Super clean car. Ended up pulling the motor out and just doing a little bit of work, not too much.
Nothing crazy.
We had plans to keep it and either H swap it or boost it the way it was, but all that fell through and he ended up selling it. There'll be no more Prelude, sadly. But videos that we have coming up will definitely be well worth the makeup. And the other thing is we're going to be uploading one video every other week, so that way you guys have something to keep.
Something coming in.
Yeah, something to keep up with and something to stay updated on. I just ordered, so my hatch ended up cracking the turbo manifold that was on it, and obviously I blew up the old turbo, so there's a new turbo on it as well. But I just ordered a top mount from Speed Factory, so that'll be coming in here within the next month or so, so you guys will definitely be seeing videos on that, and we're definitely excited to push on with this and show you what we have.
Yeah.
So
Some other good news is you'll see no more Volvos. No more of that. We're done.
That's out the picture.
Honda gang.
Yeah, just straight Honda.
Banjo rats.
Or at least Japan gang.
Japan.
Yeah, Honda's
Exactly.
actually
Word.
anyways, guys, just a quick recap. I'm going to be posting up some more videos of the turbo hatch build, even though I know it's already been done, just so you guys could see what we have accomplished in the past year. So we're going to be posting videos at least once every other week, just so you guys have some content to keep watching, and also so that way you can stay updated with everything that we're doing. So we are now Banjo built, and we are the Banjo Rats. Those are the Banjo Rats there in the background. But yeah, so that is the new channel name. Hope you guys like it. If not, oh well, too bad, that's what we're going with. I think it's better than just my name, but that's just my opinion. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And like I said before, if you want to see more detailed videos, we could definitely put stuff out like that. If you just want like updates on things, we could definitely do that as well. But for now, I think that's where we're going to end the video for tonight. Yeah, and if you're new to our channel, definitely go check out some of our older videos. Kind of catch up on what we've been talking about here in the past however many minutes this has been. But yeah, definitely tell us what you like about the channel so far and what you don't like, and ways we can improve on future videos. But yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.